I picked up the Wishbone Kitchen Cookbook because I wanted fresh, flavorful meals that feel homemade, not complicated. And let me tell you, the food photos alone sold me. Meredith Hayden grew up in the South, and you can tell. This book blends classic comfort with fresh, modern twists. The recipes are straightforward, and the vibrant pictures make it easy to know what you're aiming for. I use it for weeknight dinners and hosting friends, something tasty but still relaxed. The instructions are clear and the semi-gloss pages wipe clean if you splash anything. It's 288 pages, weighs about 2.7 pounds, like a good hardcover novel, and fits nicely on the counter without sliding around. If you want a beautiful, easy-to-use cookbook with recipes you'll actually make, this is one I'm giving 6 out of 5 stars, especially for those killer photos.